Hi guys, so here's some important things that you're going to need for your tile and grout. Let's start with some brushes. This one right here is called the Shark, and it's a sharp, nice brush that lasts long. This one right here is a newer version of that. This is made out of a DuPont Tinex, and supposedly it lasts longer, but I haven't really used this one yet. Seems a little bit more aggressive too, so it's a different kind of a nylon, I guess. It's called Tinex, made by DuPont. So these two are for your grout. So after you pre-spray with, like, say, Oxyblaster, and the Oxyblaster gets absorbed into the grout lines, and you have to wait 15 minutes because it has to do its thing. So in that 15-minute, you can use one of these, the Easy Grip pole, and that just plugs into it, and you can just agitate the grout. That way the 15 minutes you're waiting, you're not wasting, plus it's helping agitate and disperse the pre-spray a little better, and so it's going to work better for you. Before extraction, you use this. After you pre-spray though. And then there's some hand ones. They're really kind of cool. This one is curved, so it's good for getting edges and stuff, like in bathrooms, hard water deposits and stuff like that. You probably use this with, like, the Oxy low pH if the material is ceramic, porcelain, Italian quarry, any kind of man-made. But if it's natural stone, you can still use this, but you can't use any kind of acid cleaner on it because it's going to etch it. But this is a really good tool for countertops and bathrooms and sinks and just, like, hard to get places. Same with this one. This is mostly for, like, grout lines on the countertops and the bathrooms. It's also a really nice, handy tool that you can stick in your pocket. This right here, I don't recommend use this all the time, but certain times you do need stainless steel. This one has the stainless steel brush, which may mark your tile. So, like, if you're too aggressive on the tile, you may mark it. So it's basically just carefully use it on the grout when you need it. It'll also remove a certain portion of the grout from the surface. But when you do use this one, just be sure that you're cautious to be safe and not to damage anything. So basically, those are all your brushes that you're going to need for tile and grout, for either doing the floors and also for doing your vertical walls and other tiled surfaces like countertops and stuff. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.